Hey there, Cham here, and today I'm gonna make my review of this video creation app called FlexClip. And what I have here is actually their desktop app, and if I remember right, they also have their web app, but I like it that you still have the choice to install the desktop application as well, because in most cases, especially for editing videos, desktop app are still a lot faster. So as you can see here, we have different things such as these templates. So they have different categories such as, the current trend, which is this time is the Father's Day. They have something for business, and as you can see, they have some more right here. Let me just go back. They also have intro and outro. If I see all, as you can see, they have amazing ones right here. Let me just go back. They also have promo and sales, slideshow, real estate, corporate, birthday, educational and training, technologies, sport and fitness, and a lot more things right here. I don't have to show you all of them, but I just want to show that they have done for you templates in case you want to start creating videos using templates. And then let me just show you some other features that they have right here. We also have media, and here you can upload your own file by clicking local files and just upload them from your computer. And aside from being a video creator, you can also use this app to do your screen recording, and you can use this to record your screen and your webcam, like an alternative to Camtasia. This is something that's somewhat unique to this application compared to the other almost similar apps that I reviewed in the past. And then here you can also grab built-in stock media by clicking here, and as you can see here, you can search, or as you can see, they have different categories of built-in stock media that you can use. So they have videos and also photos, but let me just close this for now. And then they have something for text, and they also have different templates that you can use for text. And what I like about the templates inside FlexClip is that they are somewhat minimalistic and simple, and in most cases that's how I edit my videos. So I really like their template designs right here, unlike some other apps wherein we have this too much 3D and like futuristic templates that in most cases, in my case, they are not really that useful, and they might be great for doing some teasers or showing some features of an app, but in reality, especially for my case, if you're editing videos a lot, that most of those things are really not that useful. But again, what I like about templates here, especially this one for text, are actually really simple, that are great especially for creating explainer videos and video sales letters. And then we have overlays, and then under overlays they also have different categories, and they also have something for logo, intro and outro. So again, for me who wanted to make things a lot simple, these things are actually great. And then they also have elements. So these are something that you can use together with your videos. So for example, if you're creating a talking head video and you just want to add some elements to that video, these are some animated elements that you can add to that. And then they have backgrounds, music, although for music, let me try to click this up. Yep, they have built-in music, and you can access them by clicking here. And again, as you can see, they have different categories, so you can just choose from here. Or again, if you want to upload from your computer, then you can do so by clicking here. And then they also have watermark. So if you want to add watermark to your video, let's say for example you're submitting a project for clients to review and they did not yet pay in full, it's a great idea to add a watermark, and then just remove that watermark once they paid the project in full. So there's more right here, and for this one, these are the aspect ratio that you can use. So of course the commonly used one is the 16:9, although you can also use some of these especially for social media, such as this 1:1 and 9:16. Alright, so for us to start creating, again, we need to use an aspect ratio, and for now let's just use the default 16:9. And then again, if you want to start from templates, you can just click here and choose any template that you want. For example, in this very first part, and by the way, they have this timeline, but the timeline is storyboard timeline. And personally, I actually prefer the linear timeline, wherein we have that we have some layers right here, but of course using storyboard is fine as well. So again, for the very first part, for example, I want to use this one. Let me just click it, then just click this plus button, and it will be added to the storyboard. There we go. And again, I can just highlight this text, and if I want to change the text, I can always do so here. Let me just close that. I can also change the color right here if I want. Let's say, for example, I want to make that I don't know, like blue or so. I can always do so here, but let me just bring that back to white. And as you can see, it's really simple to edit these templates right here. And then if I want to continue, and for the next part of the video, let me just click here, and here I can either add a video or photo from my local media, from stock media, or from background. So let's say I want to add a background. Let me just click here, and then I can either just choose a colored background right here if I just want to make a simple one, or I can just go here to backgrounds, and as you can see, there are some animated backgrounds that I can use if I wanted to. Again, in most cases for me, I just want to make my videos as simple as possible, so I may just want to use this green color right here. And let's say I want to add a text, I can go here to text, and again, as you can see, I can use any of these templates right here. Let me actually just choose a white background, and again, white backgrounds are really useful if you want to make your videos simple and clean. And so as you can see, they have basic text templates if you just want to make a static title, or if you want some animated ones, they also have things right here. So for example, I want to use this one right here, and for the text, I need to go here and change the text color, and choose red and black. There we go. And then here I can just highlight and change the title with whatever text that I want. And once I do, I can just click OK. And let's add another one right here, and again, I can choose a background. Let's continue to add a white one, and this time I can also go here to elements, and I don't know, let's try some of these. For example, this mariachi guy right here. Let's say I'm making a video for a band, and by the way, yep, I actually created a video for a mariachi band in the past. So if I want to make this bigger, I can just, you know, drag these corners right here and position it wherever I want. I can also rotate it if I want to, although let me just leave it as that for now, and just bring it maybe here. And then maybe I can add a text in this part, so I can go back to text, and I can choose one of these templates right here, maybe this one, and that's good. I can place it somewhere here, and again, I can just double click and add any text that I want, and there we go. As you can see, it's really super easy to use. And again, we can go here and add another slide, and maybe this time I can go to stock media, and let's choose business, and just choose any footage from here, for example this one. And if I want to shorten the clip, I can just come here and cut it, although let me just leave it as that for now, and then click use video, and then it automatically added to my slide right here. And again, if I want to add some more element to this video, I can probably go to overlay, and let's try this one right here. Click that, and as you can see, it's added as an overlay, which is nice, right? And again, if I want, I can add a text by going here to text, and maybe use this one right here, position it somewhere here, and maybe for the color I can try for white and red. There we go. And of course, again, I can double click and add any text that I want there. And again, you can continue by clicking here, maybe add another stock media, and this time let's add a photo. And again, if we're creating something for business, maybe we can add this image right here. And then for this one, I can probably add elements by going here to elements, and I don't know, let's scroll down and check some more right here. And if I want to make something for fun, I can add some comics element, for example this one. There we go, and we can add it somewhere here. And then you can just add some more elements if you want, like that, and position it wherever you want. So as you can see, it's really easy to make a video using this software. And finally, if I want to add a background music to this video, I can go here to music and add stock music. Try this for example. And if I want to use it, just click use. And again, I like it that you can control the volume. So for example, in this particular video, I'm using a voiceover. I can lower down the volume of this one and upload that voiceover so that this will just be used as a background music, and the voiceover will be the one that is being heard. But in case I just want to use a background music without a voiceover, then that volume is good enough, and I may want to add fade in and fade out, maybe fade out. And then here I can choose the length of the music that I want to use. And if I want to preview the one I did, I can just click here to play. Oops, I did not add in the very first part of the storyboard, so I may just want to delete this. And then start with this one, so click play again. And there we go. And it added a transition right there, and that's somewhat corny for me, so let me just delete that transition and I'll play again. And there we go. Of course, I can just click here to continue editing, but let's say I'm already happy with what I created. I can just click export video. And again, here I can choose a resolution. So let's say I want to choose 1080p. I can just click next. And yep, you can export at MP4 or GIF. And let me just use MP4 for now. Click next. And as you can see, before I render, I have a preview right here, which is really great. And this is something that I added as a comment in one of the video apps that I reviewed in the past. You should always have this preview of your video before rendering, which I really like that they added it right here. And before you render, you can even add an intro from here. So for example, I want to add a title before this will start, so I can choose any template from here. For example, this one. So I like it that it just grabbed my name, and maybe here I can just add the title. And yep, it immediately grabbed what I will add right here, which is really great. Although it added that FlexClip.com. But of course, if I don't want to use that, I can just click here to delete, and then just click export video. And then just wait for a while, and let's see how fast it is. And as you can see, it's actually rendering really fast. Alright, so the rendering is done, and here it is. And I also have the option here to share it directly to YouTube or upload it to Dropbox. Although I can just go here and check out the one I rendered, which is this one. And there we go. This is the video that we just created. And go back here and close this one. And yep. So overall, I can say that the app is great. It's very simple to use with really simple and minimalistic templates, which is what I personally like, and I highly recommend it. And right now, they actually currently have a deal on AppSumo, where you can grab this at one-time fee of only $49. And as you can see here, you can check out the features. So for the basic plan, they have all this. Video editor, custom watermark, unlimited downloads, and all that. And I'll just add the link below for you to come to this page if you want to check out this deal. I just want to point out that for the $49 plan, you can only export at 720p. And to be honest, if you ask me, especially if you're just creating videos for social media or for internet, like for YouTube, Facebook, and all that, 720p is already good enough. And a lot of people are talking about 4K videos nowadays, but unless you're creating videos for big screen, that's actually not necessary. 720p is actually already good enough. Although as you can see here, if you stack one code, then you can export at 1080p. So I highly recommend that you take advantage of this deal right now. Otherwise, when this deal is done, I will also add another link that you can click to purchase this from the regular plan. So yep, that's it for my review of FlexClip, and I look forward to seeing you grabbing this app as well and using this app to create simple yet amazing videos. My name is Chem, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.